Hi, HygieneLab, men's personal care company that offers a range of products to keep you in tip-top shape, everything from your hair to skin to your body. Founded in 2023, they have become the fastest growing certified clean men's care company. Fairly new company, but that special it factor that this company has is that they really focus on safety and healthy ingredients. With that said, they are EWG certified. EWG stands for Environmental Working Group. The Environmental Working Group is an organization that tracks chemical safety and calls out bad chemicals and the companies that use them. They are a go-to resource for parents and consumers nationwide when it comes to choosing better products for their health and their homes. They're also highly ranked on the Yuka app. It's an independent app that scans food and cosmetic products in order to know their impact on your health. HygieneLab sent over the all 7 daily essentials plus bonus toiletry bag bundle so that we could review it for you guys. Before we get into the individual products, I just want to highlight the packaging. So this is the box for the face wash. All the other products basically look the same in terms of the packaging. A soft matte feel to the box, has a nice aesthetic, and it already tells you like, oh, the product inside is probably going to be nice looking as well. And it is, because the bottles have that signature brand coloring. It's like a matte type of brown, black caps, dispensers. Sleek design would look really nice in your bathroom. But let's get into the products now. First one, face wash. So what I really like about this is that the face wash is really lightweight and not too soapy on the face. I like to use this in the morning when I wake up and at night before I go to sleep. Clean your face in the morning, get ready for the day. Clean your face after a long day, moisturize, and you're good to go. Next product is the face moisturizer. Similar to the face wash, it's also really lightweight and unscented. Small bottle with a little dispenser, so click it, easy to dispense, put it in your hand, good to go. I like to use this on my face as well as my neck and my ears, and I would use the face moisturizer after I use the face wash. So again, morning and night. And to reiterate, in case I forgot, lightweight on the skin, this. So when you apply it in the morning, you're good all day. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel sticky on the face, so you're chilling. I wouldn't say this is a con, but I do wish there was more in here, because I use moisturizers quite often, and so I go through them fairly quickly, and so I know I'll go through this fairly quickly as well. I really like this one a lot, and so I guess I wish there was more in here, but that's just me. Next is the styling gel. Lightweight, I really like this scent. It's a sandalwood scent. It's a matte hold, no shine on the hair. It has a firm hold. You can move it around, style it. You're good to go basically all day. Just a little dab on your finger, rub it in your hands, good to go. And it works best on dry hair, at least from my experience. Next is deodorant. Twist cap, and at the top it's a nice round sphere. So these are really easy and nice to use. It rolls well on application, and to get more, you just turn the bottom. And it also has that nice sandalwood smell, so that's a favorite for me. Now we're moving on to the last 3 products, and those are the ones you use in the bath or the shower. First one up is the body wash. So these bottles have a nice dispenser at the top so that you could easily use it. You're not twisting caps or anything like that. And the texture on the body wash, it's nice, lightweight, easy to apply on your skin, almost feels similar to the face wash. And as far as the scent, this is the Lavender Sands scent. So if you like lavender, you're gonna like this. The one, I guess, con for me is that the scent is pretty strong and it stays on you a little while after use. So after the shower, you're out of the shower, going about your day, you'll have that lavender scent on you for a little while. But if you like that, great. If you want to put on cologne and stuff, I feel like it starts to like mix up the scents, so just keep that in mind. Next up is the shampoo, basically the same bottle as the body wash. Foams up easily in the hair, which is good, and it doesn't require too much product to get it foamy. But then again, I do have short hair, so you know, keeps my hair fresh and has the same scent as the body wash. Lastly is the conditioner. Good texture, doesn't require much, again, maybe because I have short hair, but I only had 2 pumps. I normally use about 3 to 4, sometimes 5, but this was 2. Good to go. Hair feels good. It doesn't feel too soft after using it. I leave it in for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes in the shower and then wash it off, but yeah, it feels better than not using conditioner. And this one is unscented, so you don't have to worry about any scent sticking to your hair. Lastly is the toiletry bag. It's kind of transparent at the front with the logo, and on the inside there are 2 see-through compartments to kind of separate your belongings. So if you pick up this bundle, just know you'll have something to carry it with you. If you're interested in this bundle, I'll link it down in the description. And you can also pick up these products individually as well, all on the HygieneLab website. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, HygieneLab, for sending this over so that we could review it, so that you guys could make a more informed decision. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.